I got help from my phone finding this strip. So we're going there now. And then we're gonna cruise it. See what's up with that place. Isn't it funny though how it's, I don't know, the aura and energy here is really weird. And there's all this lightning and stuff going on. Like the city of sin is all charged up or, oh, I don't know, it's weird. Crazy. So we're going to Tropicana Boulevard here. I guess maybe the lightning does help the entertainment value a little. Wow. This place is nuts. Okay. This one called Tropicana. Maybe I'll just take this one instead. Ha ha ha. I have free will. What's up, Vegas? Wow. This is nuts. You know what all I can think of when I look at all this? Is how many people got scammed into using fiat currency that doesn't have any value. It has negative debt value. But yeah, that's what built all this. Nothing. Loans. Debt. All right. Start at this end, the north end. Work our way down. Let's see if we can find some characters here. There's one. We made it! You get to be here with me. Isn't that cool? I think this is the place. This is the next place that I need to focus my efforts on. Here and Florida. Wow, look at the lights. You don't mind me recording, do you? I hope not. Crazy lights get you to part with what you value. I'm looking at all these hotels thinking I need some sleep. Crazy. 2D reality. All this stuff is fake. Where can I get a good breakfast? Oh, they probably have a really good breakfast buffet somewhere. Treasure Island? Oh, yeah. I'm in the right place for eating. Uh-oh, there's some cops. Can't get started too soon. Why do I always get to places like this? Like I went to Reno right when the sun was coming up. I got to Vegas right when the sun was coming up. Maybe it's because you have to travel a long ways to get there. Do they have Wi-Fi here? I need to post some videos. Made a whole bunch of them. Oh, and I'm out of gas. Don't have much money. Fiat currency. Oh crap. It is the cops. We got someone pulled over already. Good thing. Keep on going. How about that? Wow, what the fuck is this place? This is nuts. I don't think people really live here, do they?